today I'm just gonna do my like morning like skincare routine. I don't know. I'm just gonna show you what I use on my face. Oh my god, I'm turning into such a beauty guru. This is gonna be such a bad tutorial. Oh my god. Spray the Mario Badescu facial spray. This one is the green one. I don't know what flavor it is. And then I go, you've seen me use this before, the Milk cooling water. Just like all the places that are normally like not as moisturized. I don't know. I put it under my eyes and on my forehead, and then that's basically it. Those are like my problem areas. I get the most acne there. Now I do the, you've seen me use this before too, Beauty Girl. I should go over there. Ow. This is the Milk Hydrating Oil. I normally, like, I use it on the places where I'm most dry, so that's like normally for like me over here. Where else? I don't know, like just my cheeks are super dry all the time. You can see that they're super red and like kind of having a little bit of adolescent rosacea. I don't put it on my forehead because my forehead is already really oily. Okay, after that, and we're all shiny and glowing. This is the Drunk Elephant regular moisturizer, but I got it in the Sephora birthday package, so I've had this since my birthday, and I've used it every day, and there's literally like every day. That's not even the bottom, like that's it. Okay, now that might be it for face stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's all I do for my face, but I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup because I want to. So the next thing that I'd probably do, concealer. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend that in. Glossier Boy Brow. Okay, now press my powder. Oh, I still have some lashes right here. Okay. Yeah, see, messed up. Okay, look at that. Look at me. I did it. Okay, we're good. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you'll probably like my other ones too. So make sure to subscribe, comment for other videos that you want me to do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.